Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, Content Director for Fleet Equipment. Welcome to Fleet Equipment Unscripted. We're at a Heavy Duty Aftermarket week and lots of talk about product. What product do fleets want? What are they open to? What's going to get the job done? We're going to check in with the Alliance and talk category management to figure out how they're kicking the tires on parts that they're serving up to their members to deliver to fleets. Come along, let's see what we can learn. All right, Justin, hey, thanks for taking the time. Happy to talk with you. We're talking parts category management. Right, and lots of talk about that here at the show in terms of maybe how those trends are shifting. So can you just give me a kind of high-level overview of how you're approaching product category management in the heavy-duty space?
Sure. In the heavy-duty space, category management is a little bit different than what we see in the light vehicle space. Fortunately, at the Alliance, we have broad capabilities across the entire industry, light vehicle and heavy-duty, so we can bring a lot of that knowledge into the heavy-duty space. But for heavy duty, the focus is always on uptime. We hear that a lot here at this show. It's extremely important. Fleet management, those guys care more about having the right parts that they know will work and will work for the amount of time that they're supposed to work, so they can schedule their fleet maintenance. So that's our focus for category management here. How do we partner with the right folks? They can get the parts that work as they should. It's not so much about price. Obviously, everybody wants a good deal, right, but what they really want is the parts that they can rely on. And the brands that they trust.
Okay, are you seeing any shifts in terms of those brands that maybe they would they're more interested in or would look at versus maybe someone or fleets or that may have skewed into well, just give me OEM or tier one all the time? Are they more open to a broader line of product to get that job done these days?
Yeah, absolutely. So fleet managers are extremely savvy, right? They know the brands that they know, but they are also susceptible to reasoning. So if you can walk in with a good story, right, show them some testing data, show them some fleet performance, maybe with some examples, real world examples, those guys will listen because they do want a value. They want that value proposition. They want to pay the right price. They want the quality that works, but most importantly, what we find on the distribution side of this thing, they need consistent delivery, consistent availability of product. We have to have 100% delivery fill rate. And if you can get that to a fleet manager so that he carries the minimum amount of inventory, so he can make sure he turns his product properly, right, and keeps his fleet on the road, that's all they're looking for.
Right. Well, and going back to it, right, category management, you're kicking the tires on a lot of that to make sure that you can get the products there ahead so that they don't have to do that at homework. To your point, you can bring them the information and make sure all those boxes are checked.
Right. It's our job to review the products, see the factories, make sure that we understand the quality and the performance of the product, but also at the Alliance, for example, inventory optimization is a huge part of what we do and help our distributor members do well so that we have the right parts on the shelf to say yes to that fleet customer or just that walk-in customer. Anytime they need the part, we have it or deployed in their market.
Yeah, and you're speaking to a lot of the technology that goes on behind the scenes with what you all do. There's a lot of talk of technology here about the show. Do you see an opportunity within the heavy-duty aftermarket now for growth to put some of that to work and gain more business and serve more fleets?
Absolutely. There is so much opportunity to use technology, to use those tools better in the heavy-duty world. It's underutilized, just to say the minimum. Our suite of tools, our Alliance Technology Suite, especially our My Place for Parts, our cataloging, we've done the most to add robust cross-references, interchanges. We have the industry's best and leading non-application catalog. So it's not just for things you're looking up application parts for, which we don't see enough of in the heavy-duty world, but anything else you're looking for, be it based on the OE cross-reference, just based on the description, images, any other details about the part that can help you locate it, we have that in an electronic tool so that you can have your guys on the phone less, looking for the parts, finding it quicker, and moving on to the next sale so that they're not wasting time searching for a part that should be easy to locate.
Awesome. Justin, thanks so much for taking the time. Great talking with you.
You got it. Thank you.